In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Convertkit. So in order to create your landing page, what you can do is you first need to head over first to kit.com. Convertkit has been rebranded as Kit, as they say so as well on their website. So in order to sign up, click on the Start Free Trial option, and as you can see, they don't require any credit card. Now, in this case, once you already have an account, you can proceed to actually just log in. In here is my dashboard. So what we can do is we can proceed to click onto this grow, click onto this landing pages and forms since we need the landing page. Now once you have clicked on that, this will actually redirect you to the landing pages and forms that you have. Click onto this create new option right here and choose in here the option for landing page. From in there, you can find some templates for the landing page that you can actually utilize. So just choose in here the kind of landing page that you want. I'll choose in here this canyon. Click onto this choose. And then after that, they should be able to show you in here the editor. You can change in here the actual template. So for example, let's input right here, join our cause. And you can also change right here the description as well as the things added. As you can see, we have in here the email address, but you can also add right here some field like phone number or tags, depending on this field that you want added. So you can also change the colors as well as some settings in here for some applications that you can actually add. You can also enter more content if you want and change out some general styles like headings as well as its colors. Once you're done, proceed to click on this publish right here and you can actually see it right now that our landing page is ready and you can now see it. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.